So lay it flat, try to get it nice and flat. Yeah, just like that. You bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nothing really. So 10 medium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see right around here, it started to kind of give where we did see some give in the layer, and it didn't come over. So switch to big hits right now. Just go to 10 hard. 1, 2, 3. Good. So it's not, we're not seeing propagation properties. It does. Promise you start whacking number 5 and 6 and it starts to hurt. But are we affecting, so this can also, we could be looking to see if that lower layer crumbles and if it shoots across. So there it goes. So this, perfect. So we did see, just step back a little bit. This layer that we just saw this little corner break off. And that's coinciding with our more top layer, not our storm snow, but that other layer that we identified. So again, we're just getting a little bit of characteristics. There's a couple of little layers kind of showing themselves here. But that broke off in a corner, so it was a bit of a collapse. It wasn't a planar. It wasn't a sudden scary thing that fell off. Just sort of crumbled apart. So we're not perking up because of that result. But the biggest thing we learned is that it broke off a corner. It didn't shoot across the snow and affect me over here. That's what I wanted to learn from this test. So that's a bit nuanced for maybe more advanced, but that's what I, as a recreationalist even, would want to know about the snow, is if there's propagation. Kind of everything else Avalanche Canada is telling me. I had my hands in the snow last week. I kind of know where things are at. New snow. The new snow is the problem. Is it going to bring in more than what I'm asking? Like if I set off, if I'm willing to accept a level 1.5 avalanche as a recreationalist, and trust my friends will get out of me. Is it going to stay a 1.5 in a confined area, or is this going to propagate across the whole hill? You know, even though it's only 40 centimeters, if it goes against the whole hill and funnels in, I'm in trouble. So propagation is something that I'm interested in knowing if it's going to shoot out big time, or if it's going to move. Is it just going to happen underneath me? If it's just going to happen underneath me, we're dealing with slough. We're dealing with fucking the chow pow goodness. Like,
if it had propagated, you'd be looking at remote trigger issues as well, wouldn't you?
Say again, sorry?
If that had propagated, you'd be looking at remote trigger.
That's exactly right. So if an avalanche were to happen, it's going to spread out big. The crown is going to be much bigger than like a point release. It's going to be big.
Big slab.
Yeah. So I want to know the slab characteristics, and that's a slab characteristic. So good job. That was great. I'm going to cut this one in half, and we've got one more that we can hit out here. If you guys kind of want to, I'll just kind of come around and cut them for you. You can start digging out the sides and give them some hits and just sort of see how it goes. Try to count and see what happens and try to figure out why it did. Any questions?
No. Okay.
Go.
Smack that on the floor.
I'll do that and I'll get chewed out. I'm going to get my other gloves because these are very snowy.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's so not easy. I should probably buy my sauce.
Yeah, I've been in the snow so much that like my waterproof stuff is not waterproof.
Yeah.
Actually insane.
That means it's not waterproof.
Well, the thing is with waterproof stuff, they have a limit.
Okay.
It's like if you go in the sea, then it's not going to be waterproof.
So many questions. So little time.
Okay guys, you can start cleaning out these two. One there. I'll come cut the backs. There you go.
Just go straight down.
Travel?
There's the third one there for you, and then everyone got a chance here.
Yep.
I just looked at the time and I don't know if we're going to make it.
Really?
Mm.
Wait, we got night skiing, haven't we?
Oh yeah, we do. But I wanted to... If it's good sunshine.
Oh yeah. We'll make it. We'll make it.
Another 2 hours for dinner tonight.
Huh?
Another 2 hours for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always.
I've learnt to have a snack before dinner. Yeah.
Mark almost fucking died the first time we were there. Quite a beat, your stuff was going lower and lower and lower, and they weren't bringing out any food. Then he asked for a drink, some sugar, and still didn't get a drink.
That's also why he should be carrying snacks. So I carry stuff for 5 to train.
Yeah. I've just put my camera in the fucking thing, haven't I?
Yeah.
Oh.
I like your hat, Luke.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you see, you
Good, see. I'll get it back. Yeah, it's we're going to get it back. Yes, apparently it's like a sailor. What are you going to do, you know? Shake your palm, shake your palm. Right.
Are you tapping these away?
No, he needs to cut the back.
No.
The hand's still sore from slacking that shoulder. That's what hurts.
Yeah,
I'm not going to do that.
I don't mind.
He does have shoulder hands. Just like, bam!
Bam!
I'm recovering from a broken thumb. I'll do the small ones. I had a bit of my bone come off here and go over there.
It's quite cold now, isn't it?
Yeah. I want to go see those dogs.
Yeah, me too.
I want to go dog sledding.
Yeah, that would be fun. That would be fun.
Yeah, we should do that.
I could do that. I've done it once. It's amazing.
You can see people skiing.
Oh, don't.
I can't climb that.
Yeah.
Why? That's a hot baby. I know.
Because we want to climb it before we finish. That's just one thing.
Yeah.
Go to bullet.
Yeah.
Get some runs in.
So if you're down,
Yeah, I might be.
yeah.
I think we know this. We all know this.
There's a crow.
I just want to salute them. No, that's magpies.
We can still do it.
Is it if you see 2 magpies, it's a boy, 3 it's a girl?
1 for a boy, 2 for a girl, 3 for... No.
No, you've got super
3 for sorrow, 4 for joy.
5 for murder.
That's a murder.
Phrase. Murder.
Murder.
It was a murder. Red,
Oh, I don't
red
know though.
wine.
I might go back and just talk now.
Oh.
That sounds good about now. But I need to get some boarding.
I
into
do
it.
need to ski. I haven't
Look at those columns. Damn.
Very Roman, eh?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Roman Empire.
Smack away.
Yeah?
Go, Luke.
Alright.
Smack that shit.
So you're getting rid of the back. Doing a little bit of a... You've got
It's
like,
coming off.
definitely got a layer there. Right.
Harder now. Whoa!
That was maybe a bit hard.
No.
So while it probably seems a little bit obscure what you're looking at right now, for me, I'm just noticing that there's no big, crazy, scary event. As we're hitting this thing, we're getting slow collapses, we're getting compression, but we're not getting like big, scary results. Telling me to go home. You guys should do some YouTubing to see some snow profiles where stuff
Come on, Becca.
does sudden
See what you
planers. It's interesting to see.
Go on, Kieran.
See what you got, Kieran.
I have to do the big ones left-handed.
I've got to do the big ones left-handed. Yeah, why?
I just broke my thumb like 4 months ago.
You broke your thumb?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have a little bit of bone in here that's like over there somewhere.
Oh.
So it's progressive collapsing, but it is definitely collapsing on the layer. So the avalanche forecast is pretty accurate. There is storm snow.
Head is the side of my hand.
Come on, harder.
I'm not risking my thumb to hit some snow.
So again, we're seeing some little bit of structure failure down at that other level or layer that we were noticing. I should have measured it so we could have called it the 30 centimeter, 60 centimeter. Still, it's not breaking apart in any kind of scary fashion, but it is identifying itself as like a layer. So we're getting pretty consistent with that. Falling off.
They're bringing their columns home.
What's that?
They're bringing their columns home, look.
Taking them home with you?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna go liquid. Memento. Put it in the freezer. Tell when you're taking it back to Europe with you.
That's pretty heavy.
Needs to go in the cargo hold.
It is quite heavy.
And one.
Imagine a bunch of that laying on top of you.
Ready? Catch.
Catch the avalanche.
Catch, Luke, catch the
It's a hot
avalanche.
potato.
Hot potato.
Ready?
Oh,
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Oh, what a catch.
Potato.
Oh, God.
it's getting smaller.
Yeah, that's all right. Oh, we got to lose it.
You're just never ready.
Yeah. Right,
Easier now.
I've had enough.
Imagine it was something.
Avalanche.
That's it, just the
I'm like, well,
Round 2.
It was not ready.
fuck. Nailed, absolutely nailed him.
Baseball. Doesn't quite.
Heat it. Kobe.
Shut. Get yourself a big piece.
Come to me, child. Oh no, head came off.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. What you got? Ooh. Oh, Olympic gold is won!
I be new world champion now.
You're shit.
No. I bomb you.
Anything else you want to tackle?
Huh?
Can sort of be the end of it. I will get you guys just to leave the pits, because we'll come back here and I'll just build off of them tomorrow. If this were a normal situation, no matter where you are in the mountain, please destroy your pit and fill it in. You don't necessarily need to worry about the mound you've made, but you would dig it so it's not just a fall off. If a skier were to come in through a really foggy day, you don't want it just to fall into it.
Absolutely annihilated. Imagine.
But we don't like skiers.
When we're walking, you can see I quickly destroyed that one up there. Probably will give you more time.
Luke, can you do it?
Yeah, I could swear at people today.